I'm presenting the second read, which is the agent which sits between the ambient scribe generated note and the current patient chart. It basically reconciles the ambient scribe generated note against the against the current patient chart, and it analyzes, reconciles, and acts based on CDI query. If there is a discrepancy found, it generates the accurate suggestions, recommendation based on the query and the current patient scenario. If there is nothing found, it doesn't stop. Goal is to take 30 seconds of time to generate the to check if patient's note where physician is signing is accurate as possible based on current scenario.